The Destiny Weekend. Meet the ocean inside you. February 26th through March 1st, 2026. Every sunrise calls you forward. It reminds you that your purpose is not forgotten. Your next chapter is ready for you to step into. At Gratitude Garden Farm, that call becomes a decision to rise, to grow, and to step into the destiny you can no longer ignore. The Destiny Weekend is a transformational 3-day experience designed to awaken your potential, ignite your confidence, and guide you into the life you were created to live. Destiny isn't accidental. Destiny is chosen. Here, your journey begins with connection. Connection to your values, connection to your purpose, connection to the voice inside you that's ready to lead. This experience helps you reconnect with your inner compass, release fear and limiting beliefs, clarify your direction, and step into personal leadership with clarity, not confusion. As you walk through the gardens, surrounded by color and life, something inside awakens. You feel the nourishment rising from the earth, and you feel your own strength rising with it. Food here is intentional and vibrant, a true farm-to-table experience fuel that elevates your energy, sharpens your mind, and supports the transformation already happening within you. You'll move, reflect, grow, and stand beside others who, just like you, are ready for more. More clarity, more possibilities, more purpose. Your accommodations sit gently within the natural landscape, an environment designed to help you integrate the day and prepare your mind and heart for the work ahead. When the day ends, you'll settle into beautifully designed yurts, quiet spaces that hold the breakthroughs you've made and strengthen the person you are becoming. This is the Destiny Weekend. A journey inward, a journey forward, a journey back to the life you were meant to live. Only 18 spots are available. Your destiny begins the moment you say yes. For pricing and program information, text only 850-408-1460. Email jose@wellnessonthesia.com. The Destiny Weekend. Meet the ocean inside you.